Hello and welcome to this how-to guide from Quantique. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to sign up to QuarkLink Ignite. We'll paste the URL in the link below. To sign up we need our email address and to complete the reCAPTCHA. Looks good to me. Sign up. So now you'll get an email from QuarkLink@cryptoquantique.com. So we go to our email. Here we can see the email has just been received. If we look at that, we have a link that we can click to continue our sign up. So we complete our details. Bob, Alice, and give it a password. Review the terms and conditions. So do give these a read. And if you're happy, accept them, and then create an account. That will create your unique instance. And we'll get another email with the details. There we go, sign up successful. Click this email, and this will have the unique URL that's unique for us. randomletters.quarklink.io. We can open that up, and then we can sign in. Our username is the email address and the password we previously set. And then one final step is to complete the two-factor authentication. So if we just move that. So here we can see my screen mirroring of my iPhone, and I'm using the Google Authenticator. You can use a different version if you like. Microsoft have one, or Password Manager. They suit as well. So we're going to add a code, and then we're going to scan this QR there, and that gives us our unique number, so we're happy with that. We can type in our code here. Then we're in. And that is how easy it is to set up QuarkLink Ignite. Thanks for watching.